ओम धम धन्वंतरे नमः। रागादिरोगान् सततान् शक्तान् अशेषकायां प्रसतान् शेषान् औत्सुक्यमोहान् रतान् जगान योपूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। So, topic is therapeutic indications of Amrita, Tinospora cordifolia, an experiential and scientific view. So, Tinospora cordifolia means Amrita, Guduchi, otherwise known as Guduchi, or Amrita Balli, which is very useful drug. It is a hepatoprotective, immunomodulator, hypoglycemic, rasayana, and anti-stress adaptogenic actions. So, let's see. Guduchi is a herb which is popularly used in a large number of diseases by Ayurvedic physicians successfully. Amrita, Chinnaruha, Chakrangi, etc. are the few synonyms of Guduchi. There are two types of Guduchi, Padma Guduchi and Kanda Guduchi. Guduchi is attributed with actions like Rasayana, Kasahara, Shasahara, hypoglycemic, Medhya, anti-atherogenic, anti-stress, adaptogenic, immunomodulator, hepatoprotective, anti-infective, and bactericidal actions. It is commonly used in the treatment of disorders like Shwasa, Kasa, Kushta, Kandu, Pandu, Krimi, nephrotic syndrome, cirrhosis of the liver, dengue, chikungunya, malaria, influenza, and fevers with eruptions like measles, chickenpox, herpes zoster, tuberculosis, AIDS, upper respiratory tract infections, etc. So according to Ayurveda, it possesses characters like Tikta Katu, Koshaya Rasa, Lagu, Snigdha Guna, Madhura Paka, Rasayana, and Krimigna. Amritarishta, Guduchi Kashaya, Panchatikta Kashaya, Maha Tiktakam Kashayam, and Palatrika Kashaya are few formulations which are used in general practice. Different Amayaka Prayagas of Guduchi is also explained in classics, which is suitable with suitable judgments, which can be given with success. Guduchi Kwata is hypoglycemic and hence can be given in diabetes mellitus. It is hepatoprotective and anti-inflammatory and can be given in viral and alcoholic hepatitis and cirrhosis of the liver. The Guduchi. Guduchi Kundali Chinna Vayasta Amrita Vallari Chinnodbhava Chinnaruha Amrita Jara Vinashini Vatsadani Chandrahasa Jivanti Chakralakshana Guduchi Katukad Lagvi Swadupakar Sayani Sangrahani Kashayoshna Balyatikta Agnidipini Kamala Kushta Vatasra Jarapitta Krimin Jayit. So this is the explanation in the classics. And these are the characters of the Guduchi. These are the molecules which are present in the Guduchi. So it is useful in respiratory disorders, isn't it? So like pneumonia, etc., isn't it? And also in cellulitis, skin cellulitis also, Guduchi is used. In Visarpa also, Agnisarpa, herpes zoster also, it is effective. In paronychia, fungal infection of the nails also, it is effective. So this is some research has been conducted and was found effective in some bronchial asthma patients. Like the parameters like dyspnea, cough with expectoration, chest pain, fever, coryza, and heaviness in the chest. These are taken before and after treatment and assessed, and it was found effective. Guduchi is found effective in such cases. And also, ES are also seen decreased. Before treatment it was 28.6 and after treatment 8.1 in 20 patients. The actions are Rasayana, Medhya, Vyastapana, immunomodulator, antistress, and adaptogenic. And also anti-infective, antibacterial, remigna, hypoglycemic, hypolipidemic, and kapha. So indications of Guduchi are Amrita, Vatrakta, Samanya Jara, Vishamajara, Kushta, Amlapitta, Kamala, Madatyaya, Raktapitta, Kushta, Shula, Gulma, Rajayakshma, Kasa, Shwasa, Vicharchika, Kandu, Visarpa, Masurika, Romantika, and Nagamasurika, Dushtavarana, and Pranavana. So yogas formulations of Guduchi are Guduchikwata, Amrtadi Kashaya, Amrtottara Kashaya, Amrtarishta, Panchayita Kashaya, Panchayita Grita, Gugulu, Gugulita Grita, Mahatita Kashaya, Kaishara Guru, Pratikari Kashaya, Guduchadi Loha, Guduchadi Mandora, and Tiktaka Grita. Now, discussion. Guduchi is used in Indian pharmacopoeia abundantly. Usually, the stem is used. It is having Tiktarasa, Ushnavirya, Kotavipaka, Lagu, Ushna, Guna, and Rasayana and Jarahara Karma. It is Tridoshaguna, mainly Katu, Kapapittahara, and action. Various researches has been conducted on Guduchi regarding Rasayana, hypoglycemic, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, anti-tumor, anxiolytic, memory booster, anti-stress, immunomodulator, hypoglycemic, and adaptogenic actions. This herb is easily available and cost-effective also. It is commonly used as kashaya, arishta, sarasa, and other formulations. So let us see Ameka Praga. In Jara, Amritarishta is used along with the Mrityunjaya Rasa and Sudarshana Ganavati. In Vishamajara, Amritarishta is used along with the Sudarshana Ganavati. In Vatrakta, Guduchi Kwata is used along with the Kaishara Guru internally and Pindathaila for external application. In Kamala, Guduchi Kwata is used with very good results. Usually, hepatocellular jaundice and alcoholic hepatitis are better relieved by Guduchi Kashaya. In Shwasa, Amritottara Kashaya along with some Somachurna is useful remedy for bronchial asthma. In Kasa, Amritottara Kashaya or Amritarishta is used. In Amlapitta, Bunimbaji Kashaya along with Shutashekara Rasa and Kamadaka Rasa is used. Gulma, in Gulma, Avarishta and Guduchi Kashaya along with Trifla tablet, Tupala Vati is used. In Kusta, Mahaditam Kashayam along with Aragyavardhin Rasa and Lagusuta Shekaravati is used. In Vicharchika, Mahadita Kashaya, Aragyavardhini Vati are used internally with Mahamarichaditaila for external application. In Dadru, there is ringworm infection, Mahadita Kashayam with Lagusuta Shekaravati are given with Chakramarda Taila for external application. In Patishaya, Amrutara Kashaya with Lagusuta Shekaravati or Mrityunjaya Rasa is useful. In Shirashula, Amrutara Kashaya with Mrityunjaya Rasa is useful. In Mukhadushika, Mahaditam Kashayam with Aragyavardhini Rasa internally along with Kunkumadilapam externally application. In Lagamasurika, chickenpox, Panchayita Kashaya or Mahadita Kashaya with Mrityunjaya Rasa and Lagusuta Shekaravati are useful. In Romantika, measles, Mahaditam Kashayam with Mrityunjaya Rasa is useful. Misarpa, that is herpes, Mahadita Kashayam with the Godanti Vasma and Pravada Panchamrita Rasa are useful. Dushtavarana, non-illegal ulcer, chronic non-illegal ulcer, Mahadita Kashaya, Sariva Dasava, Pravada Panchamrita Rasa, Trifala Guru internally, and Sindhura Malahara, external application. Purana Varana, Tankana Sindhura Mishrana, externally application with the Mahavatita Kashaya and Pravada Panchamrita Rasa and Trifala Guru internally. In pulmonary tuberculosis, along with AKT, supplementary therapy and with the Amrutattara Kashaya and Mrityunjaya Rasa can be given for immunomodulator effect. In bronchiectasis, Amrutattara Kashaya with the Mrityunjaya Rasa and Talisada Churna are effective. In pneumonia, Amrutattara Kashaya with the Siddha Mukharaja is useful. However, you have to give proper antibiotic coverage. Anemia, Guduchikwata with the Pranamandara can be given. In nephrotic syndrome, Guduchikwata and Amrita Dikwata with Chandra Prabhavati are useful. In CRF, Amrita Dikashaya with Chandra Prabhavati, Pravada Panchamrita Rasa, Vadanti Vasma, Pranamandara, these are useful. In dementia, Guduchi Kashaya along with the Swarnamalini Vasanta and Saraswarishta with gold are useful. In Alzheimer's disease, Guduchi Kashaya, Swarnamalini Vasanta and Saraswarishta with gold is useful. In Parkinson's disease, Guduchi Kashaya with the Kapikachi Churna, Saraswarishta with gold and Vishachandravati are useful. In epilepsy, Guduchi Kashaya given with the Mata Vidyam Sanrasa and Saraswarishta with gold and Udanti Vasma are useful. In Unmada, Guduchi Kashaya with the Sarpagandhavati, Saraswarishta, Tamsi Churna along with the Tailabhyanga and Shirodhara are useful. In Manovishada, depression, Guduchi Kashaya with Saraswarishta and Vipassana Dhyana are useful. In mania, Guduchi Kashaya with Sarpagandhavati, Shirodhara, Sarvanga Abhyanga are useful. In mental retardation, Guduchi Kashaya with Swarnamalini Vasanta and Saraswarishta with gold are useful. In anxiety neurosis, Guduchi Kashaya with Lausuta Shekaravati, Sarpagandhavati are useful. In osteoarthritis, Guduchi Kashaya with Yogara Yoguru and Panchagunataila application is useful. In Abhyantara Krimi, Guduchi Kashaya with Vidangarishta and Krimi Mudgarasa are useful. In Nasagata Pitta, Mrudata Kashaya with Naga Kesara Churna is useful. In Menorrhagia and Metrorrhagia, Guduchi Kashaya with Narvavati and Naga Kesara Churna are useful. So, in sluggish liver, Palatrikadi Kashaya with Aragavadinity are useful. In cirrhosis of the liver, Palatrikadi Kashaya, Pravada Panchamrita Rasa and Aragavadinity and Pranamandara are useful. In ascites, Palatrikadi Kashaya with Aragavadinity and Pranamandara are useful. In diabetes, neuropathy, Mahatirthakam Kashayam with Ksheerabalat Taila internally. In diabetes mellitus, Guduchikwata with Chandra Prabhavati is useful. In heavy proteinuria, Amritadi Kashaya with Chandra Prabhavati is useful. So, to conclusion, Guduchi is popularly used in therapeutics in modern India. With suitable adjuvant, it can be effectively used in various disorders. It is a Rasayana, Medhya, and Vayastapana drug. It is easily available in the market and cost effective also. There are least side effects by using the formulation of Guduchi, rather there are side benefits. And these are the references. So I thank the audience for patient hearing.